We're here today to pick up 70 pieces of trash for our 70 followers. Woo! There are 6 of us here today. How many is that?
11.4.
12. We're gonna round up. Tyler found the first piece of glass.
Metal.
Oh yeah, there.
1,
2, and 3. Are these guys okay? We kind of had to go on a hike to find the trash today. Oh, another one. Alan found some glass. They're all clear pieces of glass. Hard to find, but definitely dangerous.
$69.
Harrison's got
70.
a handful of his.
Keep subscribing so we can come back and pick up a million pieces of trash.